Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off secure storage on Facebook. What is secure storage? It's a new feature from Facebook whereby if you are chatting with your phone with someone and you go to your computer to chat with the same person, you're not going to see that conversation on your computer unless you input a password and you can continue chatting with that same person in your computer. I'm going to put a link in the description where you will read more about secure storage. But if you don't want this feature, you want to turn it off, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So open your Facebook app, navigate to your settings and privacy, go to settings, click on account center, click on password and security, scroll down at the end-to-end encryption section, click on secure storage. Here, you're going to see an option to delete and turn off secure storage. Click on it. Click on continue. As you can see right here, secure storage has been deleted. So that's how you turn off secure storage on Facebook. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.